Hiya 8. This lesson I'm going to talk you through assessment for South America. I'm going to explain each question, make sure you're aware of how much time you should spend on each part of the assessment. So for this lesson you're going to need a pen and paper or a Word document to write answers on. Make sure you're writing really clearly and neatly and also labelling which questions you've answered so that we can mark papers quickly and let you know your grades. Your first question is to describe the distribution of biomes in South America with reference to figures 1 and 2. This is worth 4 marks. So on your screen you have figures 1 and 2. They're also attached onto your assessment as well. So as it's asking for distribution, you have to think about the pattern or the spread of where the biomes can be located in South America. As it's 4 marks, you should follow the GCSE structure for this question. So explaining in general, closer in, specifically, and giving an exception. So you can use something that starts off given you and spend 5 minutes to complete this question. So you can pause the video, give yourself 5 minutes, then take a picture and upload this question onto ClassCharts. Your second question is to explain one way that the Amazon River is being used sustainably. So again, this is worth 4 marks. I've given you some points on the screen that you can talk about, but it's up to you to complete the rest of the answer. So you should be following again the pedal structure for this question, making your point. So how is the river being used sustainably? Explaining with this is because, developing the answer with this means that, and then linking to SEEP, so social, economic, environmental and political. This will give you 4 marks. So make sure you're writing in full sentences explaining the points that you're making. So you can pause the video, spend 5 minutes again on this question, then take a picture and upload it onto ClassCharts. For your final question, it says that ecotourism schemes in Machu Picchu have been very successful. How far do you agree with this statement? This is worth 9 marks plus 3 spelling punctuation and ground marks. On your screen, you've been given 3 strategies that you should have looked at during your online learning that encourage ecotourism in Machu Picchu. You can use this to help you answer the question. For this question, you should be following a pedal-hate structure for your point. So one point that agrees with the statement, explaining this because, develop with this means that, link to social, economic, environmental, political, then give a however, so give an alternate view. So you have to do that for an agree point and a disagree point. Once you've done your 2 pedal-hate paragraphs, you should then conclude. So this is summing up the main points that you've made and stating your final view. So you should tell us in this part of the answer, do you agree or disagree with the statement? As this question is worth 12 marks, spend 15 minutes on it, take a picture of your work and upload it onto ClassCharts. Just a final remember then, to make sure that you've uploaded any pictures and screenshots of the work you completed today, make sure your writing is really clear and your questions are labelled so you know exactly what you've written and where to mark. Well done, Year 8. We look forward to marking your assessment and getting these back to you as soon as possible.